See the damage it actually does over here. You see all of this? This is damage from the water. It's unbelievable. I mean, if you think about it, a liter of water is a kilogram. So if you got 20,000 liters of water running down, it's 20,000 kilograms. Then you get into the whole Einstein thing of velocity and force. I'm not a mathematician, like I'm not a doctor. So yeah, but I'll tell you one thing. My father knows this stuff. He's a pipeline draftsman. So yeah, you ask him about force and flow and water velocity and all of that type of stuff, and